Welcome to Artistic Documentation. Email marketing remains one of the most effective tools for increasing sales and maintaining long-term engagement. By segmenting your audience based on behavior and preferences, you can send personalized messages, exclusive offers, and valuable content directly to their inboxes. Automation tools make it easier to nurture leads through the customer journey, from welcome emails to abandoned cart reminders, loyalty rewards, and re-engagement campaigns. Personalized recommendations and limited-time promotions increase conversion rates by creating urgency and a sense of exclusivity. Effective email marketing isn't about quantity but quality. Delivering meaningful content that adds value builds trust and strengthens brand loyalty, leading to repeat purchases and customer advocacy. A closely related strategy is personalization and customer segmentation, which uses data analytics to understand different audience groups and tailor messaging accordingly. Every customer is unique. What motivates one might not resonate with another. By leveraging data from CRM systems, social insights, and user behavior analytics, businesses can divide their audience into meaningful segments and design customized campaigns. This approach improves relevance, engagement, and ultimately, conversion rates. Personalized landing pages, dynamic website content, and AI-driven product recommendations are examples of how personalization can transform customer experiences and drive sales. Search engine marketing advertising are indispensable for driving targeted traffic and generating instant sales results. Unlike SEO, which builds long-term organic reach, PPC campaigns allow businesses to appear at the top of search results immediately for selected keywords. Platforms like Google Ads and Bing Ads make it possible to target specific searches, demographics, and locations with precision, while controlling budgets and tracking conversions in real time. When combined with a strong landing page and persuasive copy, PPC can deliver outstanding ROI and complement organic marketing strategies. Another high-impact approach is brand storytelling, which transforms products and services into experiences that resonate emotionally with customers. People remember stories, not slogans, so brands that tell authentic, relatable, and purpose-driven stories connect deeply with audiences. A strong narrative evokes emotions, builds trust, and enhances recall, which directly influences purchasing decisions. For instance, brands like Nike, Apple, and Coca-Cola have built empires on the foundation of storytelling, motivating, inspiring, and connecting people to something larger than a product. Modern consumers crave authenticity. Sharing the journey behind your brand, your values, and the people involved can make a powerful difference. Thanks for watching. When influencers genuinely endorse a product, it feels authentic, which boosts conversions. Affiliate marketing, on the other hand, rewards partners for driving sales through referral links, creating a win-win ecosystem. This strategy expands reach exponentially while ensuring that marketing spend is performance-based. Another transformative strategy is video marketing, which continues to dominate engagement metrics across digital platforms. Videos grab attention faster, explain products better, and convey emotion more effectively than text or images. Tutorials, testimonials, unboxing videos, and behind-the-scenes clips increase trust and engagement. Short-form videos are particularly effective for awareness, while long-form content builds authority and credibility. Live video streaming adds another dimension by enabling real-time interaction, Q&A sessions, and product demonstrations, boosting conversions instantly. Customer relationship management and retention marketing are equally vital for sustaining growth. Acquiring a new customer can cost up to 5 times more than retaining an existing one. Therefore, focusing on customer satisfaction, loyalty programs, after-sales support, and personalized follow-ups ensures continued engagement. Retention marketing strategies like reward points, VIP discounts, and membership benefits not only increase lifetime value but turn satisfied customers into brand ambassadors who spread word-of-mouth referrals. Positive reviews, testimonials, and case studies amplify credibility and attract new audiences organically. Thanks for watching. I hope you would like to join our private group and community.